What is going on, traders? I hope you guys crushed it today. In today's video, we will be discussing the price action today, the trades we took as a community, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. Let's get into today's video. So today was a very tricky day to trade. In hindsight, the morning was extremely easy, okay? The first trade I ended up taking, of course, was the freaking high of the day today. And I'm kicking myself still because I had the best entry possible. But you know what, guys? I'm honestly proud of myself because I did not like this price action. And I entered, I doubled down, and I sold this candle. And I'm proud of myself because the price action seemed iffy. I wasn't confident in the trade anymore. So I decided to sell for a few $100s instead of catching a 5-figure move, unfortunately. But that's a part of trading, okay? So I could have made a lot more on this trade, guys. And the way the price action was looking, it looked like it was going to rip. So I took profits as soon as I could. Obviously, I wish I held, but it is what it is, okay? The second trade that ended up getting alerted to the Discord, I ended up getting calls here. One of our moderators, guys, Gundy, he's a futures trader, and he ended up alerting calls literally at the bottom tick of this candle. So everyone got in here. I ended up getting in here too. I made another few $100s on this trade. And if you did not sell this move, this is what I preach, okay? This is the type of trader I am. I size in heavy and I sell the move. If you sized in and you did not sell this move, you went extremely red or you lost all your profits. Me, I sold as soon as these 455 put or calls went in the money, like you're supposed to do. Okay, that's my trading style that works best for me. So I ended up getting out of here with a little bit of money, and it was also good. I had to leave for the day, guys. I had some things to take care of. But if you're looking at the chart, the key level I told you guys, remember 455 is make it or break it level. Look at this roof. We broke through it. We came back up, retest 455, rejection. Came back up, tried to pass it again at 455, rejection, and a shooting star at our key level. And that's why we got this sell-off. A lot of people were chasing puts this entire run-up, including myself, because SPY was breaking through certain key levels, and I decided to do a couple shorts. And I'm going to show you exactly where I went wrong. So you see 455. You see how it was a roof? You see how we kept making it a roof and then we just ran up? I ended up playing puts or a short position at 455.48. I took this in my futures account. In the pre-market, I was up 570 something, over just under $600 on my new futures account that I got, okay? And I ended up giving back all my profits. I'm only up $62 on the day and I was up almost $600. Because why? I came back to my computer. I was over trading when I was very green on the day. And that's the price I have to pay. I risked the profit of my account. And you know what? After that, guys, I closed it down. I did not touch it for the rest of the day. I ended up taking another short right here on my big account. I ended up going down $2,900 on this trade. I ended up sizing in up here and I was able to make an extra 900. So again, I did something wrong. I held way too long, but I had conviction in the play. I honestly felt that we would come retest 455 and we were a little short, but I ended up going from deep red to green. I'm not going to complain. I still made 4 figures on the day, but I held that a little too long, more than my liking. I should have exited more quickly and re-entered, but this was a key level. I was telling everyone in the Discord, 456.67, this is our key level. This is the biggest resistance. This is the best risk to reward, and a lot of people were able to capitalize on this play. Me, I should have made way more, but it is what it is. You can't be perfect on your entries every single trade. And today, I got in a little early. I had to size in a lot more just to end up selling pretty much where I got in at. And it is what it is, okay? So those are the trades I ended up taking today. My futures account, I'm up $62, unfortunately, because I was up 600. So shame on me. It is what it is. And my big account today, I was able to go almost 3,000 on the day. So I can't complain. A lot of people ended up going red on this, especially in futures trading, guys, because it was not respecting the key levels. I did not like the price action during this run up. It was not respecting the key levels like it's supposed to. And that's when you just have to take the initiative and stop trading. If your key levels are not being respected, you have to stop trading. There's always another day. My bread and butter for today ended up being the calls right here. I got in a little early. I got stopped out. I think I bought around 455.80. I went up a good sum of money and ended up only making like 150 bucks on here. I was on the phone with Dimitri and Options Dr. Ryan. They gave me the confirmation to get back in because they were both in this trade too. I ended up hitting size here, guys. We sold the move. It dipped and then ended up running even further. So the majority of the money I made today was on the calls, okay? I got December 7th calls. I rode this for 30 cents. I had to size in heavy to it. That's the reason why I'm up a lot on the day, but it is what it is, okay? So moving forward, guys, just know if you're green on the day, if you're getting these puts, if you're getting these calls, make sure you're selling the move and you're protecting your profits. Over trading will diminish your profits. Over trading will make you go broke. You have to be have the self-discipline enough to make your money for the day and stop trading, because there are days like today in particular that trades don't work out the way they're supposed to, and you, even if you're waiting for the best setup at the best price, sometimes it will not work, and you need to have the risk management in play to protect your capital, to not lose any unnecessary amount of money. A lot of people ended up going very green to red on the day from just over trading. So take your profits, guys. Protect them. If you want to go in, you play with house money. If you're up 500 bucks on the day, you risk $250 on that trade, okay? That's how we're going to move forward. And now we're going to go over the price action for tomorrow, and I'm going to prepare you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. So what's the best? You just looking at this chart right now, what is the best price do you think is a good price to buy calls and to buy puts? I'm going to show you the best level to have puts is going to be 457.82 to 458. This is the zone I plan on buying puts. History has shown us we cannot hold this level, so I am not going to be buying calls up here. And if I'm in calls at a lower level, I know I have to be selling at this level because we have history of big sell-offs once we reject this level. So as of right now, as I told you guys in last night's video, 458, where we are right now, we're in no man's land. We don't have that much data on where we are and what is going to happen. And look at that. I told you guys it's probably the best level to be shorting, and it definitely was. We had like almost a $6 move, 6-point move to the downside on SPY. So the levels I'm going to be watching at for the best setup at the best price is going to be 457 to 458. These are the levels I am watching. For calls, I want calls at 455. The reason why I think this is going to be one of the best setups, because look at the resistance that we had at 455 on SPY. Look at the resistance. Look at the resistance. We broke through it and we did not retest it. SPY retests its key levels. We are going to come back to 455, and 455 is going to be the level and the zones that I'm planning to take long positions on. It's going to be a lot bigger than just 455. I'm going to give it some leeway. I'm going to make this like a 40-cent buy zone, okay, between 455 and 454.61. This is going to be my buy zone. I'm not going to just hit a full-size position at 455. This is where I'm going to be accumulating a position for longs. For shorts, you guys already know this zone right here, 458 to 457.82. Those are going to be the best prices at the best setups, both those levels. In between, we got some micro levels. We're going to be watching 455.80. Why are we going to be watching 455.80? Because we made it a support in the morning. Once we made it a resistance, big sell-off. We broke through it. We came back, tested it as a support, big run-up. We came back down. You see how we were making a floor at this key level, 458.80, and look what happened. We had big upside. So now I'm going to take 455.80, and I'm going to make this line a little bigger because now I know that this was the previous support of Monday. So going into tomorrow, I'm going to be paying very close attention to 455.80. Once we reject it, there's big downside. Once we make it support, there's big upside. There's big upside. So 455.80 is what I'm going to be paying attention to, as well as those two zones. That's my game plan for tomorrow. Monday to Friday, guys, I live stream for the pre-market 30 minutes before market open, 9 a.m. Eastern time. I will be giving you guys the technical analysis as well as my game plan for the day. As you know, I am a type of trader who pre-plans his trades. I'm looking at the best levels. I'm looking at the great setups in the pre-market, and I'm making a game plan for the day. If you would like to be a part of it, guys, just come to the YouTube channel. I got you. Other than that, guys, that is everything. Thank you guys for taking your time out to be watching these videos. It means a lot to me. If you'd like to be a part of the Discord, the link is in the bio. And remember, guys, you need one trade a day. You do not need to be sitting on your computer all day. And today was a perfect example. I went up over $600 to up $60 from overtrading. I had a great profit and I gave it away for nonsense. To be successful, to be a successful trader, you need to learn when to walk away. You need to make your money and leave for the day. The more time spent on the market is the more risk you are around, okay? You're around a lot of risk 24/7, especially trading the SPY. So take your gains, protect your profits, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for your support again. And guys, let's stay green. Let's get green and stay green. Take care.